Attention, parents of small children. Are you worried about what lies ahead for your precious little ones? Well, fear not, because the future may indeed be tough, but there is a way to set them on the path to success. It's time to invest in uncovering your child's inborn talent. And here is where Mindscan assessment tests come into play. These assessment tests are the ideal option for parents like you. But what makes them so special? Let me tell you. They go beyond just testing knowledge. They delve deeper into your child's mind and abilities. Imagine peering into your child's mind and unlocking their true potential. With Mindscan, this becomes a reality. These assessments provide valuable insights into your child's strengths, weaknesses, and natural inclinations. It's like having a treasure map to guide their future. Armed with this knowledge, you can now nurture and support your child's unique abilities, helping them excel in their chosen path. Whether it's music, art, sports, or anything between, Mindscan assessments will help you uncover that special something that sets your child apart. Countless parents have already witnessed the incredible transformation their children have experienced with Mindscan. Don't miss out on this opportunity to unlock your child's full potential. So parents, invest in your child's future today. Visit www.mindscan.in or reach them on 9140604743 or 8588099595 and start their journey towards a brighter tomorrow. Remember, the future may be tough, but with Mindscan, you can shape a successful one for your child.